reflection by Huygens theory. Okay. After that, behavior of lens, prism, and concave mirror. This is very important. And today, Friday, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So directly, you do not have IP, no?
No IP.
Yeah. See. Next, behavior. Behavior of lens, prism, and mirror. Behavior of lens, prism, and mirror. Okay. See what he says. Suppose you take, for example, prism. This is a prism. Okay. Now, this is a parallel beam is incident on the prism. When parallel beam incident on the prism, what is a wavefront? Planar wavefront, correct? This is the planar wavefront. And this planar wavefront, say, what is the name he has given? This is A, B, C is the prism. This is the planar wavefront. Namely, P, this is a P, B. This is a planar wavefront. Means all the particles on this wavefront are in the same phase. By the time light particle reaches from P to A, already light particle is here. So, by the time light particle reaches from here to here, so this light particle travels from B to C. What is the time taken by the light particle to reach, to travel from B to C? This is BC by what is the velocity inside the prism? V. V. Okay.
Yes,
But
sir.
here the light particle from P travels to A in air. In air. So in air velocity is more. So in the same time T, in the same time T, the light particle travel from P to A as well as it come out like this. It travels from A to some Q. And by the time light particle travels inside the prism from B to C, light particle goes from P to A as well as A to Q. Thereby, by the moment light particle comes out, and this, so the light particle in air travels from P to A as well as A to Q. It travels in air. This is air. Air means velocity of light in air is C. So now again all these particles are in the same phase. This is called emergent wavefront. And you will find this is the word here, a parallel beam again coming out from the prism. So this time is same as this time. Arenda?
Yes, sir.
So this is in the good called the molecular. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is about for the prism. Correct. By the time light
Reaches from B to C.
travels B to C inside the prism, It travels, light travels in a from P to A and A to Q. A to Q.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, what is wavefront, sir?
what is
Wavefront, sir.
wavefront?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు అడుగుతుందా వేవ్ ఫ్రంట్ చిన్నప్పుడే కదా చెప్పింది మనం. వాట్ ఈస్ ద వేవ్ ఫ్రంట్? దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ వేవ్ ఫ్రంట్.
Vibrate in the same.
PB is incident wave front. And QC is
Emergent wavefront.
emergent wavefront. Wavefront ante it is a locus of all the particles which are in same phase. Which are in same phase. That is called wavefront. What the basic idea is all the particles on PB wavefront are in same phase. By the time light reaches from B to C in prism, so this light particle travels in air from P to A and A to Q. Why it travels more distance in air? Velocity of light in air is more compared to velocity of light inside the prism. Adamenda?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next. After that, lens. Lens word. Now this he has given a lens. Is a lens. What lens? Convex lens. Okay. See, a parallel beam of light incident on convex lens. Okay? When a parallel beam of light incident on convex lens. When a parallel beam at which wavefront?
Planar.
Planar wavefront. So what is the name of this wavefront? AB. This is the incident wavefront. So this is incident on what here? Convex lens. Right? Now, by the time light particle from this planar wavefront, so all the light particles on this wavefront are in same phase. By the time light particle reaches from A to this, what is the name he has given? XY. XY. And this name is P1. Okay? This is a convex lens. So planar wavefront incident on convex lens. Okay? When a planar wavefront incident on convex lens, what happens now? Here, this is the wavefront. Light particle reaches from O to P1. And as well as it travels inside the lens from P1 to P2. Inside the lens. Correct? So it travels inside the lens from P1 to P2. Huh? By the time light travels inside the lens from P1 to P2, now the light particle which is at A travels from A to X. This is OP1. What is the time here? OP1 plus OP1, this is in air. OP1 in air plus what is the time here? P1, P2, this is inside the lens, V. Because inside the lens is velocity of light is V. That is equal to, what is the distance traveled from here to here? AX. Okay. Now it travels in air. It travels in air ante? Already the light particle is here. So this travels in air. Similarly here also. This travels in air. Now, this particle are in the same phase. So what is the shape of the wavefront now?
Spherical.
Spherical wavefront. This is X dash, our written here A dash. A dash, this is B dash. చూడు మరోసారి ట్రాక్ వినండి. Now a parallel beam అంటే planar wavefront AOB is incident on the lens. When a planar wavefront incident on the convex lens, ఏమవుతుంది? By the time light particle reaches from O to P1 and P1 to P2. So in this time, the light has to travel more. So AX plus XA dash. AX plus XA dash. This is in where?
Yes.
A. This is in air. Similarly here also, BY
Like
plus
this.
IB dash. This is in air.
అన్నా
Ah,
ఇది తింటావా
టిఫిన్ ఏముంది చెప్పుకో. So what happens now? So what is the shape of the wavefront? What? Concave. This is the concave from this side. So if planar wavefront incident on lens, if planar wavefront is incident on lens, ఏమవుతుంది? Emergent wavefront is spherical. ఇక్కడ ఇది స్పెరికల్ ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ కాన్వెక్స్ ఆర్ కాన్కేవ్. ఏం వేవ్ ఫ్రంట్ అది? కాన్కేవ్.
How is it?
ఓకే,
Sir, how is it concave?
ఇక్కడ నుంచి యు ఆర్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ సైడ్.
Okay, sir.
ఓకే, సో ఇదొకటి. ఇంకోటి ఏంది? వన్ మోర్ ఇస్ గివెన్. If it is incident on what?
Concave lens.
Then, sir.
Next, what is this? concave mirror, a parallel beam, a planar, that is like this. A parallel beam is incident on what?
Concave.
Concave mirror. Right? So when a parallel beam incident on concave mirror, what happens now? Now this is the mirror. Now the rays are getting reflected now. So what is what is the wavefront? Planar wavefront. What is the planar wavefront? AOB. Planar wavefront is incident on concave mirror. Now also after reflection, now this light ray is going from O to, this is what P. This is more distance. By the time light ray reaches from here to here, and again it is reflected back and come back here. Kala? P dash, O dash. See, light ray, the light particle from O is going to P and reflected back to O dash. So what is the distance traveled in air? OP.
Yeah.
Time it the OP
Plus P.
plus P O dash. Plus P O dash by C. So by the time it travels in air this much, now this distance is less compared to this OP. Kala. This is less. What is the name letter is given? X. This is X. So after reflection, it travels little more distance. Okay. This also. It is undergoing reflection. No, this is incident, this is reflected. This is incident normally. That is the reason it's coming back along the same path. Okay. Now, this light particle reaches where? A dash. This light particle reaches to where? B dash. Now, A dash, O dash, B dash. They are in the same phase. What is the shape of this wavefront?
Convex.
The shape of the wavefront is this. Now, this XA dash is more compared to PO dash. Why? This OP is more, this AX is less. So AX plus XA dash should be equal to OP plus PO dash.
Sir,
This is in air only, no?
it both in-
Ayipinda?
Hmm.
Okay. What is the time taken? AX. This is AX plus XA dash. By this also in velocity, in air only, correct? And here this also. What is this distance? This is Y. BY plus YB dash. By C. Okay? If planar wavefront incident on mirror, what? Concave mirror. If planar wavefront incident on concave mirror, reflected, okay, reflected wavefront is what here?
Very
What
good.
is shape here? From here.
Convex.
Concave.
Convex. So from here, no. So what is that? Spherical. That is convex. Right? It is a spherical wavefront. Okay. You want to read it. Weight with the time. We will give this distance and this distance. Okay. And this distance they will give, they will ask this much. What is that? Okay. So these are all based upon what here? Huygens wavefront. What wavefront you used, Huygens? Planar wavefront. Then you are getting reflected wavefront is spherical. In the lens, the emergent wavefront is also spherical. You have seen. Okay. Prism low, when incident wavefront is planar, emergent wavefront is also planar. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, Doppler effect. Doppler effect and coherent and incoherent ఉంది కదా ఇంకా.
Yes, sir.
See, Doppler effect in light. What is the Doppler effect in light? First of all, Doppler effect means when source and observer are in relative when source and observer are in relative motion, okay, the frequency observed by observer okay, is different from original frequency. Original frequency N. What is that? Is actually N dash equal N into V minus what?
Yes.
V naught by V minus Vs. Correct? So in the place of V, what we are writing? C. Why? V is a velocity of sound. Here C is velocity of light. Right? Now here case 1. Star moving away from Earth. Now, చూడు. టైం నిమ్మకాయ పెట్టుకున్నావా?
ఇప్పుడు
అడిగి నిమ్మకాయ నీళ్ళు
అరే నాన్న వద్దంటే నాకు వద్దు నో
స్పూన్ పో. Okay. Star moving away from Earth. Now listen. Here, suppose this is the star. it is moving like this. Here is Earth. Okay? Earth. Now on the surface of the Earth, you assume that there is an observer standing. So observer here, this Earth cannot move towards the star or away from the star. Earth may have rotatory motion, correct? It rotates around the sun, correct? So it will have a velocity like this. It does not have velocity towards the star or away from the star. So there is no component of the Earth, if it all moves, it moves like this in
Sir, we
rotating.
can't see the board.
It moves in a circle like this, correct? Around the sun. Are you able to see?
No,
So
sir.
that part becomes. Yes.
కనబడుతుందా?
It's a bit down, sir.
ఇంకా డౌనా?
ఇది ఎడ దొరికింది నాకు ఆర్టిస్ట్ పాతది
ఆ,
రిపేర్ చేయించాలి.
ఇప్పుడు రిపేర్ నువ్వు వెళ్ళవయా బాబు మళ్ళీ రిపేర్ నీకు రిపేర్
నేను చేయించమన్నా చేయించాలి అని చెప్తున్నా, ఎందుకు ఓవర్ చేస్తున్నావు?
Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, this particular Earth rotates around the sun in circular. So there is no component of this Earth velocity toward the star or away from the star. Correct?
Yes, sir.
సిగ్గొచ్చు.
ఆగమన్ అరే అరిసివా ఇప్పుడు బీపీ కాదు ముఖ్యం, సంపాదించు నెలలకి సంపాదించి నువ్వు ఇండిపెండెంట్ గా
నేను చేయించమన్నా దాని రిపేర్, ఎందుకు ఎగురుతున్నావు ఊకే?
క్లాస్ నడుస్తున్నాను.
దానికి ఓవర్ చేస్తాడు. మొబైల్ నంబర్ బోలా అభి 9700123236 అబ్దుల్ 135. हो गया. हाँ गूगल पे. थैंक यू.
రేపటి నుంచి ఇది నేను ఏం చేస్తా అంటే మీరు క్యాష్ పెట్టుకో, సాయంత్రమే రెడీగా వచ్చిన తర్వాత అది చేసుకోవచ్చు. బాగా డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతుంది. Here, this is a star. Star is moving away. And the Earth actually rotates around the sun like this. So there is no component of the velocity of the Earth towards the star or away from the star, because this is perpendicular to this line of motion. So indirectly, there is no velocity. V0 is 0. This is Vs. Vs is moving away. So light coming from the star is always towards the what? Observer. Observer is on the Earth. Now, what is the formula you will use? N dash equal to N into what? C minus V0 is 0.
0.
C minus Vs. Doppler effect. Here, Vs and C opposite ante Vs you will write as minus kada.
Yes, sir.
Doppler effect gurtunda?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Like that. So you will have n dash equal to n into C by C plus Vs. Okay. Now C equals to n lambda or C equals to n dash lambda dash. Here velocity of light cannot change. Velocity of light is ultimate. Correct? Even though star moving away or moving towards, velocity of light won't change. Velocity of light is constant. But frequency observed by observer may change from that is n dash. And wavelength observed by observer may change. But velocity of light does not change. Okay. So in this place I am substituting. In the place of n dash, what I am writing? C by n dash, I am writing C by lambda dash. And this is C by lambda. And this is C by C plus Vs.
Now we can see the upper part of the board.
ఇది అయిపోయిందా చూడు.
Yes, sir. I can see.
Then we'll go to top. अब दिख रहा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Then
source towards the observer is minus Vs,
yeah, minus Rasan.
but V minus Vs. C minus Vs.
C minus Vs. This is ready-made formula. N dash equal N into C minus V naught, C minus Vs. This is a ready-made formula. In this ready-made, if these two are opposite, Vs will be written as minus. If they are in same direction, Vs will be written as plus. అర్థమైందా?
Okay.
అట్లా ఇది substitution, Doppler effect. Okay, this you write. Then after that, CC gets cancelled. Now you'll have lambda dash by lambda is C plus Vs by C. Cross model. That is, here lambda dash is greater than lambda. That means wavelength observed by observer is greater compared to wavelength emitted by the star. That means all the wavelengths emitted by star appears to be shifted towards longer wavelengths. Okay, so star longer wavelength ante which is red in color, called red shift. Okay, now this I am simplifying. Etla C by C 1 Vs by C is equal to lambda dash by lambda. So Vs by C is equal to lambda dash by lambda minus 1. So lambda dash minus lambda by lambda. Okay? దీని ఇంకా రాయొచ్చు VS by C equal to lambda dash minus lambda అయింది delta lambda by lambda. Okay? Next case 2. అర్థమైందా ఇది ఎట్లా ఇచ్చిన అర్థమైందా C by C is 1
Yes,
plus
sir.
VS by C ఈ 1 అటు తీసుకెళ్ళాలి -1 అంతే. నెక్స్ట్ కేస్ 2. Star moving towards the earth. Star moving towards earth. It is moving towards earth and it. Right? Star is coming towards earth. Then what do you like? These are ready-made formula. VS and C same direction. Then V naught is 0. Malla figure. You draw the same figure. కనబడుతుందా ఇది?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Star moving towards earth and this is a figure. This is a see. VS we have taken plus into minus. I am substituting now. Again come back here. In the place of N dash C by, this is C by lambda. And this is C by V, C minus, ini minus ini. Okay, C minus VS by C, lambda dash by lambda. Same calibration. So here lambda dash is less, C minus Vs, lambda is C. So lambda dash is less. Okay. In the second case, I'm changing just this thing is a board, no easy to change. So all the wavelengths emitted by star appears to be shifted towards
Smaller wavelength.
Small,
lower wavelengths. Shorter, lower, nishtam. Miguel comfort aital. Shorter wavelengths, which is violet cannot be seen by the naked eye because it's not a primary color, which is you can say dominantly blue
blue, towards blue.
color. Okay, blue in color. Called what shift?
Blue shift.
Blue shift. Okay. Indian Ocean can be seen in which color?
Blue, sir.
Blue. That is the reason Indian All players will have what colors?
Blue jersey.
Blue jersey. They will reflect ocean, which is connected to your India. Indians means blue. So called blue shift. So this is C by C. C by C is 1. Vs by C. So here minus will come. Like this. So So 1 minus lambda dash by lambda is equals to Vs by C. Lambda minus lambda dash by lambda. Vs by C. So this lambda here, lambda dash is less, no? So this is delta lambda, because in calculation they will ask everything. You're supposed to know. This is delta lambda by lambda is equal to Vs by C. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, it should be 1 plus lambda dash by lambda, right?
This is okay, na? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is 1, you know. 1, this is coming here. This is coming here means minus.
Minus,
This
sir.
minus
Minus
Vs by C goes that side. Means minus B goes that side becomes plus. This is smaller. What's that? Okay, so next program, tell me something. The chair is up. Last 200 million name market में कल सुबह मार्केट में विच मार्केट थी कल पे ही yeah so copied
Done, sir.
Next comes to radar. Okay, listen carefully. So in the case of radar, what is that? Suppose this is a radar. Okay. Now this is some aeroplane. Right? So aeroplane is moving towards a radar. The aeroplane is moving towards your, this is, now the signal goes from radar. Radar will send the signal on the helicopter or aeroplane, whatever it is there. And it goes to that and it is reflected back to the radar. Then radar will give the signal something is coming. So this is the velocity of aeroplane, VA. Clear? This is velocity of airplane. Now step 1. First step 1. Signal given by radar behaves. Notes maintain and anni padekandi bada kastamaitadi. Signal given by radar behaves as source. ఎవరు చెప్పడు కూడా ఈ ట్రాక్ ఎంత చెత్తగా ఉంటుంది, భయపడతారు ఈ ట్రాక్ చెప్పాలంటే. Signal given by radar behaves as source. Sai? Sai? So signal given by radar behaves like a source. Okay, this behaves as source and this is aeroplane. AEROPLANE. చిన్నప్పుడు బైహార్ట్ చేస్తుంటే కదా. Aeroplane behaves as observer. Okay. So
Okay.
observer, this is observer, V0. Now this is a C. This is source. Okay. VS is 0. Kala? Bamaisina? Now frequency. N equal to N. Original frequency is N. VC minus. Observer is moving towards, no?
Yes,
V0
sir.
and C, both are opposite. Minus
Minus
VA. Aeroplane kada.
yes, sir. Yes.
V minus VS is 0. మీకు ఇట్లా దొరకది క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో నీట్ గా రాసుకోండి. మళ్ళీ రివిజన్ లో మీకు చూసుకోకపోతే పోతుంది, ఎగ్జామ్ పోతుంది. నీట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఐపీ కాదు. సో సి ప్లస్ విఏ బై సి. ఈ ట్రాక్ అంతా చెత్తగా ఉంటుంది, ఎవరు చెప్పడు ఇది, టీచర్లకు ఇష్టం ఉండదు. ఎవడో ముసలో 4 రోజులు ఇస్తాడు చెప్పుకోమని. ఇది అర్థమైందా? దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ బై దిస్ aeroplane. Next, step 2. Whatever the frequency collected by the aeroplane, actually no one is collecting here. Now this is incident on aeroplane. Then aeroplane will reflect the signal towards the aeroplane. Reflects signals towards ఏంటది? radar. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఈ బొమ్మ కొట్టిందా? స్టెప్ 1 ఈ బొమ్మ అయిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు బొమ్మ మారుతుంది. ఐఎమ్ చేంజింగ్ ద ఫిగర్ నౌ. ఓకే, టువర్డ్స్ ద radar, where radar is, చెప్పు, radar is observer.
Aeroplane is source.
Aeroplane is source. ఇట్లా అన్ని చెప్పడు వాడు, దాంట్లో ఏముండదు అలా. పుస్తకం ఓపెన్ చేసి చూడండి, ఏం కనబడే నీకు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ V0 is 0. నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ అబ్జర్వర్. మళ్ళీ బొమ్మ గీయాలి. Now VA. Now this will be now source. Now it is reflecting back what? What signal? N1. Whatever it is, incident is this, no? Same, it is reflecting back. Now this is C. This is observer. This is source. Again, second figure you draw it. If you're not drawing the second figure, you will get confused, I'm telling you. You draw it. Followed? I am in page number 239 in your textbook. 239. You see, nothing will be there in that. So this explanation, everything, you write and nicely you put it the figure and write it. Now N2. What is N2? N1 into C minus, now observer is at rest, 0 by C minus, this signals are coming towards the radar. Source is also coming towards VS and signal, both are in same direction. So plus VA, because now aeroplane is now source. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Therefore, N2 equals to, what is N1? This is N1. N into ఇక్కడ రాస్తాం. So N2 equal N1 అంటే ఇది. By C into C by C minus VA. కదా? C cancel. N2 equal N into C plus VA. C minus VA. Correct?
So 1 minute. Yes, I done so.
So this N2 shifting frequency. Shifting frequency is delta N. Delta N equal to N2. N2 is the final frequency collected by radar. Who is collecting now? Radar is observer, no? Final. What is the initial frequency emitted by the radar? N. So shift in the N2 minus N. So N common. C plus VA by C minus VA minus 1. You ask it now?
Yes, sir.
జాగ్రత్త, పుస్తకాలు ఏముండదు, నేను రాసి పెట్టుకోండి.
Done, sir.
Sir, your board is blurred, sir.
అప్పుడే బ్లాంక్ వచ్చేసిందా? వస్తున్నా. N ఇంటూ C ప్లస్ VA, ఇది మైనస్ C ప్లస్ VA. C minus VA. C cancel. Delta N by N is equals to 2VA by C minus VA. Correct? Since velocity of aeroplane is very less compared to velocity
of light.
Velocity of light. So VA can be neglected. Delta N by N equal to VA by C. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
This also can be written. You know C equal to N lambda kada? Delta C by C equal to delta N by N plus delta lambda by lambda. There is no change in the velocity of light. Covered is 0. Delta N by N plus delta lambda by lambda. So delta N by N equal to minus delta lambda by lambda. So in the place of delta n by n ఏం రాస్తున్నాను minus delta lambda by lambda is equal to VA by C. అర్థమైందా? So these two, remember.
సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
అర్థమైంది.
సెకండ్ ఇయర్ క్లాస్ సార్. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్, నేను చిరంజీవి సార్ మాట్లాడుతున్నా. సెకండ్ ఇయర్ పిల్లలకి క్లాస్ సార్ మీరు ఇప్పుడు.
సెకండ్ ఇయర్
ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ వాళ్ళు చెప్తున్నారు ఇప్పుడు మీరు.
అయిపోయింది, ఇది ఒకటి.
సెకండ్ ఇయర్ సూపర్ 60 క్లాస్ ఉంది సార్.
ఉంది వస్తున్నా. मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर पिल అయిపోయిందా బేటా ఇది?
Yes.
Yes.
So tomorrow we will finish the syllabus. Jana switch off Jana midi?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.